Hi there, this is John from Pipeliner. Your Pipeliner installer is downloading, and once downloading is complete, it won't start automatically, so access it on Mac from your dock here, and from Windows, open any folder, and on the left side, click this Downloads button. Now just start typing Pipeliner, and you find your installer here. Some pop-up windows about security and Adobe Air confirmation will show up. Basically, just click Yes, Continue, or Open to all of them. Install your Pipeliner application with recommended settings, wait until your Pipeliner is installed, and once installed, your sign-in screen should show up. And sign in by typing your email and password that you entered on the trial page. This wizard is here to help you with Pipeliner. We'll turn it off for now. You can dig through it later by hitting Help, and then What's New or Getting Started. So this is the pipeline view, where you're going to spend a lot of time watching how your business is performing. So let's start at the beginning by creating a new lead. Click here on this arrow and this new column, we call them stages. This is where your leads will show up. We can create new lead by hitting this button, but you're busy people, so we can just double click instead on the empty space in the lead stage. Okay, here you are. Name your lead. I'm going to name mine Green Tree Group, and I hope to sell them some software. So hit save and close the window. Okay, you've done it now. Here's your lead. Next, you'll want to qualify the lead and hopefully turn it into a real opportunity. So once you've completed your qualification process, maybe you've talked or emailed with the prospect, you can drag and drop it here into stage 1. Based on your qualification efforts, you can now add what you think the value of this opportunity will be. Yeah, I'm hoping that money will actually grow on this tree. Okay, so now I want to add the due date. Estimate when I think this opportunity will close. So based on the normal length of our sales cycle, I'm going to put the close date about 2 months out. Now, Green Tree Group is a division of Big Forest Company, so I will add Big Forest as the account name and hit Add New Account. In this window, you can also fill industry, homepage, email, and so on, but we'll just hit save for now. In contact, you type the name of the person who will be your main contact for this opportunity. Add new contact, and again, you can fill all these fields, but we'll leave it for now to keep going, so let's just hit save. Consider your opportunity as a container where everything connected to that deal is stored, such as appointments and calls, documents, even who's who in the company. Now, just drag and drop your deal opportunity to the next stage. That's it. When your reps move from initial contact to, for example, demonstrating their product, they just drag and drop the opportunity to that stage. It really is as simple and quick as that. With one glance, you can see what stage any opportunity is in and what needs to happen to move it forward. The number of stages, the names of the stages, the duration for each stage, the probability weighting are all customizable to fit your business. Remember, with Pipeliner, we always keep you focused on what is important, and that's the results. So take a look at how the numbers in your target change whenever you move an opportunity from one stage to another. You have full flexibility to set targets up to reflect whatever date range you want, and whatever quota or target you set for that period. You also have 5 different target types you can use. The first is weighted target. This is the sum of the value of all the opportunities according to their sales stages and percentage probability. Then there's the unweighted target. That's the gross value of all the opportunities without any probability weighting by stage. Then there's the real target. That's the sum of all the closed and won deals. Then there's the ranked target. That's the sum of the opportunity values according to how maybe a salesperson has ranked their likelihood to close. And then there's the balanced target, and that's the sum of the opportunity values according to their rankings and according to their sales stage probability percentage. With Pipeliner, we always help you keep your eyes firmly on the target. Okay, let's jump over now to accounts and contacts. You can see the account we created earlier. So now let's add another one. Type in the account name. We'll call this one Big Ocean Company. Then fill in the information such as company website and contact information. You can go ahead and do this in your own version of Pipeliner and add the actual companies you sell to. Okay, switching to the Contacts tab. We'll click on New Contact. You can see the fields displayed where we can enter address and other information. You should also specify what account they are associated with so everything is neatly tied together. Okay, let's finish this contact by scrolling down and adding email and phone information. Then let's hit save and close the window. Now please note, you can also create a contact from within an account and it'll be automatically associated with that account. Alright, now we are ready to get to work planning your calls and appointments. So, go here to Activities and double-click to create a new one. Let's choose a call. So in the subject, I will write down what the call is all about. Then I will set a due date to complete this call by, and a reminder to make sure I actually don't forget to make it. I can also attach a document, and I can link it to an opportunity, an account, or a contact. So again, everything is nicely tied together. I can always create an activity from within an account, an opportunity, or contact, and it'll be automatically linked. And in fact, that's how we recommend you doing it. So before we finish this overview of Pipeliner, let's be honest. When you have a lot of opportunities on the go, managing all the different activities associated with them can be a bit overwhelming. In the taskboard view, you can see all of your activities laid out in a visual workflow, just like in your pipeline view. You can filter to see all the activities associated with your opportunities or just particular ones. You can drag and drop to move them through the different stages, such as not started, in progress, waiting, completed, and deferred. So now activity management just became visual. And it became easy, so you can always have your finger on the pulse of what is happening with your opportunities. Alright then, you're ready to use Pipeliner. Excellent work.